let me give you a fridge tour. A couple months ago, I shared our kitchen tour and I had someone ask me, hey, can I actually get a fridge tour? So today we are gonna do just that. So up here is where we keep a lot of our pantry items. We have a lot of seeds, nuts. We keep our oats up here, and then we also keep our dates as well. This is also where we keep our sauerkraut and yogurt. Over here on this side, we have our eggs. We go through a ton of eggs, Damien and I. And so I try to always stock up on eggs so that way we never run out. Because when we're out of eggs, that's when I really need to go to the grocery store. Okay, so down here, this is where we keep our orange juice, our milk, our other juices. We have cranberry juice, almond milk, regular, we have cow's milk, and then I also keep our sourdough starter all the way in the back as well. And then over on this side is where I keep our lettuces. I like this butter leaf lettuce and the spring mix lettuce. And then I also make sure that I always wash our fresh herbs, so then that way whenever I'm ready to use, I just need to snap some off and cook with it, or put it in a salad, whatever I'm gonna use it for. Then we also keep our ghee back here. I don't think you have to keep ghee in the fridge, but I personally like ours in the fridge. This little drawer is awesome because this is where we keep like our bacon, any kind of like corn tortillas, and we keep our cheese in here as well. Below our cheese drawer, this is usually where I keep our carrots, and then I have some kale here as well. This is kind of great because then you can see an inventory of the carrots to use. We use about 2 to 3 carrots a day, so we go through these pretty quickly. This side, it's a little miscellaneous. I have some leftovers, and then I have some cod that I thawed out of the freezer right here. And then behind this, I have our flowers. I like to keep my flowers in the fridge because if I don't use them right away, they don't go bad. I try to keep our vegetable drawers pretty stocked. So this is actually like half of an avocado we use. And I love these little Lunchable bags. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys so you can also check them out. I usually get these from Target. You can also get them from like certain health food stores. Onions, cucumbers, zucchini, bok choy, red leaf lettuce, cabbage. What else do I have in here? Bell pepper, we have celery, and I also have a Swiss chart in here. So I try to keep inventory of all of the vegetables and make sure we try to use them for the week. This drawer always goes so fast. We try to eat seasonal as much as possible. So this is like half of a papaya we were eating. We have some beets and ginger in here. We also have some apples, limes, lemons, and some peaches because they are in season right now. And these are one of my favorite fruits. Okay, so up here I try to keep all of our supplements, our probiotics, our glutathione, spirulina. I try to keep all of our supplements in one location up here. And then here we have mayo, tahini. This is a simple syrup Damien had made with like a healthier sugar. And this is actually tequila that we got at a distillery when we were in Mexico a few years ago. So it's been in here for a few years. And then here we have some peanut butter, almond butter, and then this is actually some vitamin C, but it did not fit up there. So this is where I keep all of our condiments. So we have some like molasses, coconut aminos, we have hot sauce, salsa, a few different types of hot sauce. So this is like coconut aminos, chocolate chips that we try to stay out of in the fridge. Damien likes cold chocolate, so we keep those in there. And that's it for here. This side, extremely simple. We keep our grass-fed butter. Our pickled items are up here, so we have capers and olives. So right here is where we keep some drinkable supplements. This is a mineral blend, and then these two are chlorophyll. They are from 2 different sources, and so I take this one and Damien takes this one. And then for right here, we have some bone broth, coconut water, and then these are the minerals that I drink and I absolutely love. So that's it for right here. Okay, well that's it for our fridge tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up so I know you did. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every single time I upload new videos. And I will be back next week with some amazing recipes. I'll see you then.